Well, greetings to all my investment clients. My name is Walter Meziers, your wealth manager, CPA tax advisor. As usual, I need to read this disclosure statement. I'm not going to read it in full, but this video is not intended as investment advice or a solicitation to buy or sell any securities. Anyone else watching this video other than my clients, please seek investment advice from your current investment advisor. Do not make any changes to your portfolio based on this video. You can pause this video and read the full disclosure about Trinity Wealth, about myself, and then if you want more detailed information, you can go to FINRA website, which is brokercheck.finra.org. Type in my name or Trinity Wealth Solutions. It'll get more detailed information about Trinity Wealth Solutions and my background. Or you can go to my website, trinitywealth.net. Again, www.trinitywealth.net. Okay, so we got this out of the way. Let's talk about the market. But first, let's talk about some economic news. Wow, what a wild week in the stock market. Oh, first of all, sorry for not doing the previous week weekly stock market recap. My apologies. I got extremely busy, and then before I realized it was almost coming up for the next weekly stock market recap. So again, apologies for that. I'm doing this as of November 21st, Friday, which is the close of the stock market. It was a wild week really in the market. Now I'll go into more details about the stock market. But first, some economic news. It was the major economic news was dominated by the volatile stock market. Growing concerns about AI, stock bubble, sharp drop in Bitcoin. I'll show a little bit chart of the Bitcoin. We don't get into Bitcoin, too volatile, and really concerned speculation whether the Federal Reserve is going to cut interest rates in December. So some key economic news summary: stock market volatility. U.S. stock finished the day on Friday higher, November 21st, but on Thursday first the market was up on Nvidia news, and then because of some bad employment numbers, or better than expected, the stock market just took a nosedive. So at the peak, market was up and then went down. And then there were some comments about the Federal Reserve and that the interest rate cut in December is not a certainty. So all this uncertainty, the AI bubble concerns, it's really weighing quite heavy on the stock market uncertainty. Just a quick note: on Friday, I got every client out of the stock market. Just too much volatility. I decided to just wait it out, see which direction the market is going to go. There's many probabilities. There's no guarantees, and I don't know which direction the market is going to go. But it's been going up and down, and too much variable up and down, and there's lots of people predicting or probabilities that the market could correct 10-15%. Nobody knows for sure, but I don't want to take that risk with my clients' monies. We made very good rates of return so far year to date, so I want to protect that. Let the storm kind of settle down, as Chris Vermeulen, who is the owner of the research company that I rely on, says, hey, it's time to take our ships from deep waters, bring it into shore, dock them, and just wait out the storm, see which direction. Once the waters get calm, meaning the stock market finds a direction, then we'll make decisions, when to get back in, if we're going to get back into the market or get into other asset classes. So let's just go over the stock market. So on Friday, stock market was really kind of started in the morning already, started going up and finished about 1% up. I put Bitcoin here because Bitcoin's just been annihilated over the last really 2, 3, 4 months. So I want to just show that comparison. I'm comparing again long duration bonds, which is TLT, QQQ, which is technology, stock SPY, which is the broad market, gold. And then one of my clients asked me to compare Bitcoin to see how that's faring. So if we kind of go out, let's go out kind of year to date. Gold still did the best. Then QQQ still up about 12%. So is SPY, meaning the broad market S&P 500, is up about 10% for year to date. On the other hand, Bitcoin is just bleeding. It's down 10% for year to date. If we look at 1 year, Bitcoin is actually down 14%. I know some of my clients were kind of asking about Bitcoin. I said, no, there's too much volatility. That's not an asset class we will ever get into with our clients. As you can see, tremendous volatility. It was up quite a bit, and then it just got hammered. And that's the nature of Bitcoin. It's very volatile. I'm not saying it's a bad investment or potential, but just expect tons and tons of volatility. So we are, again, as of Friday, all my clients are out of the market, and we'll be getting into U.S. Treasury bills and just waiting which direction the market wants to go. We kind of look at the 5-year. So 5 years, if we look at Bitcoin, again, it did well. But depending where you got into Bitcoin, you could have lost a lot of money. If somebody got in way back, in 2022 and wrote it out, then they're doing fine, but they did give up quite a bit of the upside. If we look at what we invest our clients' monies is pretty much QQQs by at times gold. For 5 years, you can see it's been a steady growth for our clients. If we look at 1 year, again, S&P, the broad market, is still up about 11%, and QQQ is up about 14%. So our clients' portfolios for 1 year are around 10-11%. So we did give some of the returns back, but we're pretty much getting rate of return that the market is delivering with less volatility. And the reason is we missed this back in April. There was over like a 20% pullback. We were out of the market somewhere around here. And that's the concern right now we have is the market going to start to go down another 5%, 10%? Nobody knows for sure. So, like I said, right now we're just sitting on the sidelines waiting for the storm to settle. And once the market figures out which direction it wants to go, then we'll either get back into the stock market or look at all different investments, such as at some point, as I keep saying, long duration bonds is going to be an investment at some point. I don't know if it's in a month or 2 or 3. I have no clue. And potentially gold again, as markets become even more uncertain and start to go down. Gold usually does very well. So stay tuned. On that note, wishing everybody a great weekend, and also obviously happy Thanksgiving. May you have amazing time with your family, kids, grandkids, as time is extremely precious, and spending time with family, that's the most important thing we can do. I'm looking forward to our family get together. I am the chef. I will be doing the turkey and all the trimmings. I love to cook, so I'm really looking forward to our Thanksgiving feast this coming Thursday. So again, happy Thanksgiving. And I'm very thankful for all my clients. You guys are just super amazing clients. And I am very thankful for that you continue to trust in me and trust in our firm. So on that note, again, happy Thanksgiving. God bless. And we will see you next weekend. Take care. Bye now.